In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a new custom font to Adobe Premiere Pro. So in order to do this, you need to head over to an internet browser and then just load up the website dafont.com or an alternative font website. Now from this website, you'll have thousands of different free fonts to choose from. So just go ahead and select the font that you like the look of. Once you've found your font, click on the download button next to it. Once it's finished downloading, that's going to go and appear in your downloads folder. So I'm just going to come over to my files, click on downloads from the left-hand side, and what we need to do is right click on this zip file that we just downloaded, click on extract all, make sure show extracted files is ticked and press extract. Now in this folder you should see your font file, which is this OTF one for me. It may have the extension TTF as well, and all you need to do is double click on this font like so, and once you have this open, click on install from the top navigation. Then just give that a few seconds while it installs to your computer, and then we can head back over to Adobe Premiere Pro, and you can now come over to the font style and just search for the font that we just downloaded. So mine is this Graffiti Youth font over here. If it doesn't show straight away, then you may need to restart the application. And it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.